Guys, so if you guys want to see more on how to get this look, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and get started. This look is going to be achieved with the new Morphe 35B palette. I hope you guys all enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so as always, I've already primed my face, already put my foundation and my eyebrows on. I'm literally so excited to get started with this palette. And these are going to be the colors that I'll be using. Right now I'm going to start with the light brown, and for some reason, I don't know if it's because my blender brush already had previous product on it, it came out a little bit darker than what I expected. But I mean, at the end of the day, it still came together, but I wish I probably should have cleaned my brush a little bit better so that I can get the direct color that was on that palette. But I mean, it still didn't come out too bad. Next color, I'm going to go back in with a really light brown tan color. I'm just going to put that on my lids just to brighten it up a bit, because as I told you guys, I didn't know that the first color that I was going to be using was going to come out as dark, but again, that's expected because I did not properly clean my brush before I started this tutorial. Alright, so next I'm going to take this shimmery gold brown color from that palette. And this is really my first time using it, and it's not really too bad. It showed up pretty good. It's nothing too crazy. Like I said, you guys, this is just going to be a simple, basic beat down. Nothing too crazy. Just a nice, neutral type of look for you guys. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and take my Smashbox, and I'm going to use that really dark brown color just to try to give it a little bit more depth. And the reason why I was trying to go a little bit darker is because, as I stated earlier, but again, you guys, I'm not going in with any blacks. This is pretty much all neutral colors. I'm using the browns, the nudes, the golds. And then I'm basically applying more glitter onto my lids and applying some into the corner of my eyes just to brighten the look. And you guys already know what you do for the top. I'm also going to do for the bottom of my lash line. Basically, you're going to mimic what you did at the top and do it straight to the bottom. Same colors, just applying what I applied on the top, I'm applying to the bottom. Simple as that. Next, you're just going to go ahead and blend that out. And everyone should know how to put on eyeliner, but if you do not know, go ahead and let me know, and I could drop you basically another tutorial on how to just do a simple winged eyeliner. Well, I ain't no professional, but I think I could get you guys through. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, in the beginning I was like low-key really nervous because the first color that I put on did not pan out like how I wanted to, but at the end of this, it is all gonna come together. Just gotta have a little bit of faith in yourself. And a little bit of prayer, and know that it will come out fine. So you guys, this is like my first time actually applying my lashes on camera, and I actually just did one lash. I applied my other one off camera. Reason being, you guys don't really know, but my real eyelashes are like really curly, so whenever I try to apply a fake lash, I literally wish it gets tangled up, and I can't really explain it, but I have really curly lashes, so it makes it like difficult just to place it on there. I literally have to do like all types of maneuvers just to get my eyelash on so that it's not on my real lash. Basically, I'm going to curl the lash, and with that, it also blends that in with my regular lash line. And I finally did it, you guys. I put on both lashes. So you guys already know what I'm going to do. It's the same thing, same steps. I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline with my black pencil. Going to go in with my Black Radiance mascara, line my bottom lashes. Gonna go in with my Jumbo Contour Stick from NYX. I'm not trying to go too crazy with the contour, I'm just basically doing my cheekbones. And as you guys already know, you want to make sure that you're always setting your face, just because it gives it that flawless, it literally sucks in your pores and it makes your face look so airbrushed and pretty. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but without using that, like, no. You want to make sure that you're always setting your face with a nice powder. Just gives it that nice Photoshop look. Next I'm going with my, I actually got that from the hair store. It's like a nude color. And as you guys already know what I do with my nudes, I can't put on the lipstick without lining my lips. I just have to. I feel as though it just makes your lips pop a little bit more. See, look how much better my lips look. Now, if I would have left it plain, I feel like it would have looked a little bit ashy. Now, I'm just doing like a little light contour with my nose. I don't do anything too heavy. Gonna blend out the sides so you don't see like a nice deep line right there. You guys already know what I'm doing. Going in with that highlighter. Yes, yes. All right, and that is basically it, you guys. You guys are gonna soon see the finished product. Next thing you're gonna do is just go ahead and put on your setting powder of your skin, and bam. Throwing the wig of your choice. And don't forget, a nice pair of gold hoop earrings always just makes your look pop a little bit more. And there you go, guys. That is your simple slave beat down. Something simple, quick, and to the point with your neutrals. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And until next time.